Hey guys, how you doing today? So, got back out here. Got April with me today because we want to come out here and see something in person. This is a shout out to Chad Gallivanter. Thanks for pointing this out in our backyard. Did not even know this was down here in the Jacksonville area.
Well, it's not actually in our backyard.
Oh, not in our backyard, yeah, but close to us. This is down in Green Cove Springs, Florida. And this is what we are kind of staring at. It's a space shuttle external tank. Right here, still on the rollers, still a thing, faded. But if you haven't, go check out Chad Gallivanter. He's got a lot of information, but we had to come out here and see this for ourselves.
Heck yeah.
So we're gonna get a little closer. I hope that's not true anymore. Right now we're underneath and touching this. What do you think?
I'm too short.
You can get over and reach that. See, you did it.
Feels like concrete.
Definitely the pain is kind of going away, has been.
Yeah. I'm paranoid.
Weight of 4,600 pounds. So, stay next to that tire. Just kind of give you a size of the tires, April. And this,
who is tall for my age?
yeah. A little seat have been here, someone directing, but max speed of 5 miles per hour. Martin Marietta design.
Really, people?
Looks like some folks left their mark on here.
Really, people?
So we're going to come to the front.
That's pointy.
That is pointy.
Looks like a golf piece.
Oh yeah.
It's a ding dang fun.
Now we've been to Kennedy Space Center.
We've watched
We've seen a couple launches,
yeah,
but now the shuttle. There's some rockets, SpaceX on, but we've been to the
mainly Falcons
down there at the Kennedy Space Center where the Atlantis is, and there's one of these outside of there in front.
Fucking dust.
But this is a little bit different. This is a little crazier. So 9,800 pounds over here.
Dang.
1,200 pounds to that arm.
And a
Hopefully you guys can see it. And we got, yeah, I don't think that tire belongs to here. But I guess if they got the 4-wheel feeling, they had a spare tire to get with it. Ooh, tire pressure, 80 psi. These are good years. This seat back here still has the fire hydrant. Fire extinguisher. Excuse me, fire extinguisher.
Well,
You got seat, wheel 3, wheel 4, wheel 1, wheel 2.
dang.
The seat just folds down there. We saw the one up front that was out.
Not usable, but
Yeah, not usable.
the bug just landed in the tire. Hello, dude.
Oh, we got systems logbook.
So many anthos.
And I'm very curious, but I'm sure I know the answer to this, but yeah, that's what I figured. Empty.
Why are you...
Surprising though, with this, that the paint on this, I'm not sure. This is actually not as bad as the actual tank. Feeling of it.
Oh, but the tank's been through.
Yeah. Make sure to use hydraulic fluid. Mobile DTE 25 only.
The tank had to get over here.
It's kind of the motor that runs the tires, and surprisingly, I think this is really more for the drivetrain to turn the wheels, maybe.
I has steep.
But you see, this would have attached to something to pull the tank. So yeah, no motor on this, just for the turning of the wheels. So if you're wondering where we're at, again, as I said, Green Cove Springs, Florida. Right here, just southeast of Jacksonville. We're off Reynolds Boulevard at Service Road East. It's over here near the gambling cruise, one of the gambling cruise ships that comes out of here. But you can find a map, Space Shuttle external fuel tank, and you can definitely see it from the satellite too. Surprised they didn't even look at these tires. I know it's been a while, but these have, to me, I would say plenty of tread left. They look in good shape, minus being a little deflated. I'll try it out, but 20 ply rating tubeless nylon. That's just, and to see this here, just kind of crazy. Again, shout out to Chad Gallivanter for posting a video about this. Had to come out and see it ourselves.
Because we're space nerds.
What's that?
Because we're space nerds.
Because we're space nerds, yes. Oh, she goes wrong.
Birds. Don't poop on it.
As I was saying, we've been to this Kennedy Space Center where they had the Atlantis, and they've got this tank, external tank, standing up.
Yes.
You kind of get a gist of the size, but being
Having
this
it
close,
laying down,
yeah, this laying down, it looks so much bigger.
Well, because you can stand right next to it and see like
Yeah.
just how small you are.
Instead of just being underneath it, and it stands straight up. It's got the external rockets as well. Like I said, I don't know if that is a real one. I believe it is. I would think of being Kennedy Space Center, but I don't know. This seems so much bigger. You know, we walked right underneath that to get into the Atlantis building. If you get a chance, guys, if you're in the area driving down to Kennedy Space Center or even Disney, take a little ride off of I-95. Look this up in Green Cove Keys. Just type in Space Shuttle external fuel tank. You'll see it on the map. It'll take you there.
It's heckin' big.
It's heckin' big. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, like, ring that bell button. I'm trying to do more videos.